Hi, I'm Lenny Royal, lead artist for Nars, and this is our lovely model Sophie. And I'm going to show you my look, Statement Eye, with one of our new pop eyeshadows. Now I'm going to use the Radiant Cream Concealer, and I'm going to use this on the eyes, around the eyes, because it's a little bit more hydrating, so you really want to have a bit more hydration around the eyes. And this is going to color correct as well. I'm going to use one shade, and that's just going to help to really brighten around the eye area. I'm applying the concealer with my fingers again around the eye just because it really helps to blend it and set the formula. Now I'm going to use the Smudge Proof eyeshadow base in a tinted color Light. And the formula is great because it will help to hold your eyeshadow. So we're going to use this on the eyelid, like so. And then just blend it in with your finger. You can use this color on its own if you want to, or you can use it underneath your eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use Laguna in a Sun Wash Diffuse formula. This is like our Laguna cult favorite, but a little bit lighter, so it's easier to blend and it's good for fairer skin types. I'm going to start my contour, and my point of reference is it's the tragus here, this little part of the ear. With the Uchiyo brush, you just want to apply that color and blend it behind the jaw, the ear, and push that color right into the temples. If you add too much powder, the best thing for you to do is use your finger to blend it to take any harsh edges away. The powder is really soft, so it's really blendable. I'm going to use Sultan, one of our new eyeshadows. It's a pop color, really pigmented, and I'm going to use a sable brush eyeshadow. And the way I'm going to work this product onto the eye is by just applying enough color on one side of the brush. The color is really pigmented, so you don't need much color. And pressing that color right onto the eyelid. And the way I'm going to apply the color is just right on the lid. You want to get in between the lashes. What I like to do is I hold the brush upside down and press it right in between the lashes there. And then with a blending brush, I'm just going to blend away the edges to soften the eyeshadow and push it right into the crease. With a pencil blending brush, you want to push that color right into the crease. I'm going to use a color called Chile, which is one of our precious metals. Really buttery and creamy formula, so you can use your finger to apply this. I'm going to apply this on top of Sultan just to create a nice dimensional pop. The color has golden and purple tones, so it's really, the more you work with your finger, the more it becomes like really kind of like wet finish. And just keep pressing that color right onto the lid. Now I'm going to use Climax Mascara, one of our new mascaras that we've just come out with. The product is absolutely amazing. It's got lash moisture complex, so it's really, really conditioning for the lashes. And it doesn't have any alcohol, so it doesn't crumble or flake. Artist tip, by holding the brush at the root of the lashes and holding for 5 seconds, you'll get an instant lift and a natural curl in the lashes. The brush is patent to Nars and it's a ribbed brush, so that helps to really comb the mascara right through the lashes, capturing every single one of them. Now I'm going to use a Wanted Cheek palette, number 2. You have 6 gorgeous shades here that you can customize your own blush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this darker reddy tone to complement the eyeshadow. And that's going to go right on the apples to create a nice pop of color. So, get it right on the apples of the cheeks. And that'll give you that blushing from within finish. Then with this oranger color here, that's going to go as a contour. And then I'm going to use this highlighter color to really blend them both together. And that's just going to marry both the colors together so you don't get any harsh lines. And then with my fingers, what I like to do is press the color in to take away any of the powder finish and really push that into the foundation. So now I'm going to use our new brow perfector in the color Goma. And this is fantastic because it's got a really pointy, precise pencil, and it's got a spoolie in the end, so it makes applying your brows really easy. We're going to create a fluffy brow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that product right through the brows, and then brush it right up. And the pencil gives you really precise hairline strokes. I'm going to use the highlighter part of the blush palette here, just right in the corners of the eyes. I'm going to use a precision lip pencil in Menton, which is a pinky color. And I'm going to use this to line the lips before the lip color. I like to start off by applying this right on the Cupid's bow and blending it out. I like to pull the lip to get a really nice straight line. And I'm going to draw right outside the lip line for a more fuller lip effect. The lip liner is really creamy. It's got mango seed oil, so it's really easy to glide on the lips, keeping the lips really hydrated. Now I'm going to use the Powermatte Lip Pigment in You're No Good. This is a liquid lipstick, really light formula, a liquid pigment that's really moisturizing for the lips, and it literally lasts 10 hours. The applicator is really fine, so you'll get a really nice, precise application. I like to start in the center of the lip and apply that color. And then apply it with the point, pointing it right on the lip like so, and applying it color outwards. And then to perfect your lip shape, go back with your lip liner and just fill in any little gaps. And there you go. And this is my statement eye. Hope you like it.